All right, what's up guys? Today we're going to be reviewing this travel backpack. If you're looking for basically a suitcase that you can wear on your back, I'm going to review this, so let's get started. All right, thanks for clicking. Here it is, brand new out of the bag. My wife and I were looking for a backpack that you could carry on the plane that acted more like a suitcase as opposed to like, you know, a regular backpack where you stuff everything down. This one opens up just like a suitcase, and it's small enough where you can carry it on the plane with you. It may or may not fit underneath the seat depending on how full you put this thing, but or you pack it. But it definitely easily sits overhead, you know, in the overhead storage bins. So here it is. I'll just give you a visual tour, open it up for you so you can kind of know what to expect. Links down below for this travel backpack and other recommended items. For example, this is the Junior, and they make a slightly larger one. In my opinion, the Junior is sufficient size, especially if you're going to carry it on the plane. All right, it's break time. Subscribe, like, and share to support this channel. Please comment as well. Join as a member for amazing perks from priority replies to DIY party invites. If you need tools and merch, shop my store or website. You can check the links in the description for my best products. Lots of little compartments, and the fabric seems to be pretty slick, pretty high quality stuff. We've got some buckles here, and I'll talk more about the buckles in just a minute. But we've got a divider centrally, and you can kind of fold it down if you don't need it, but that's pretty helpful. So pants on one side, shirts on the other side, for example. And check this out. Let me open this up. I've got one hand here. It has a zipper in the middle that allows it to basically expand by a couple of inches or so. So let me wrestle that around. And you can see right there, it allows you to pack things even more full. And then the idea is once you're packed full, you close the lid and then tighten, basically redo that zipper so it compresses everything. We've got some pockets and whatnot in the front and some zippers, so lots of great space. You've got a little zipper at the top as well. And you can put lots of things in here. This is very spacious. Check out the link for the specific specs on this backpack if you're wondering, well, how many cubic, you know, whatever. All that is down there. All right, so that's kind of what it looks like. It also has a little storage compartment, so you can hide those straps if you're interested in, you know, checking it. Like if you're checking the bag, you can certainly do that. You just take off, I'll show you how this buckles up here in a second, but you just reverse the process and stuff those back inside. So that's kind of a nice feature. So you can wear it as a backpack, which is the primary attraction, I think, for this backpack, or you can stow those straps and check it. It also has a little zipper for a water bottle, which is nice. At first I was like, oh, you know, what do you do with that water bottle? And it's not super big, but it gets the job done. And here's a look with it packed full of stuff on a domestic short trip for the weekend. Packs quite a bit of clothes, and you can put a lot in here. I mean, this is no joke. And the condition after a pretty good sized trip, I went to Egypt for like 25 days. I packed this thing full, and it's in great shape. There's no like tearing or anything. The belt buckle or the buckles here are still strong. The only thing that maybe I noticed is could use some improvement is this piece right here. When you pull it, it actually comes undone. So when you're tightening something up really well, it kind of slips out. So that's my biggest complaint about this backpack, but the fabric's holding up well, and overall definitely impressed. So this is a good buy, I think, and we'll stop the video there.